Alright, what's up? So today we have huge news. It's that we got a microphone so you guys can hear us talk about the real estate world a little bit better.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
I'm Phil. We're Phoenix area realtors with HomeSmart, and welcome to our channel.
We are all about educating and empowering buyers and sellers to help them achieve the lifestyle that they dream about through real estate.
So if you're thinking about buying or selling now or in the future, hit that subscribe button so we can be there to help you along the way.
All right, let's get into it.
Let's do it. All right. This week we are talking about the Phoenix Metro real estate market update for February of 2022.
The four stats that we're going to use to get a pulse of the market in Phoenix are going to be the average days on market, the median sold price, the number of active listings, and then lastly, the Crawford Market Index.
With that, the average days right now are sitting around 35. To put that in perspective, January of 2021, we were looking at 43 days on market, and January of 2020, pre-pandemic, we were looking at 61 days. That's really half of what it was before. So what it's telling us is things are still moving super quickly. What you're going to be seeing is homes coming up on the market on Thursday, Friday, going through the weekend, having showings, open houses, etc., and then being sold by that Monday or Tuesday.
This is really important for your buyers to have their ducks in a row before they even go out to search for houses that first day. They got to be ready with that pre-qualification, with that clear picture in their mind about what exactly they're looking for, because they're not really going to have all the time in the world to sit and ruminate on which house they want to make an offer on.
Yeah, and it could be a real letdown if they find their perfect house and they can't compete against the other offers.
So next, let's talk about the median sold price. Right now, as of January of 2022, we are looking at $438,000. A year ago, it was $340,000, and 2 years ago, January 2020, which I can't believe is already 2 years ago, the median sold price was $290,000.
Which brings into question affordability.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we headed with this? If you're trying to live in the central Phoenix, it's going to be kind of difficult at this point. We're seeing a lot of families get priced out right now, and they're having to move to the outskirts of Phoenix Metro, like places like Casa Grande, Florence, and Maricopa.
Also, a lot of people considering townhomes and condos and even some pre-manufactured homes above single family as well.
Yeah.
At the time of pulling these stats, which was January 31st, there were 951 active listings in the city of Phoenix. And that is just for the city of Phoenix, not any of the surrounding cities.
That's significantly less than years past. Last year we were at about 1,100 listings. And then in January of 2020, we were looking right about 2,000 active listings. So, pretty much cutting that right in half. So.
Mm-hmm. And this is playing a huge role in every aspect of the market right now. It's just supply and demand. We have a huge demand for houses, and the supply of houses is just not there. And that's what's really driving these prices up, like we're seeing. So
that kind of brings us to the next thing, which is Doug's whining. No, it brings us to the Crawford Market Index, which a baseline is at 100 across the board. Anything above 100 is considered a seller's market, and anything below that is considered a buyer's market.
And right now, the CMI is sitting at 470, which is a very strong seller's market.
Which, even if things do cool off, it's going to take a while because, 470, that's super high. You compare it to, this time last year, and, we were looking at about a CMI at 480, which is, right along there. You see it drop going towards December, around October through December, we saw it right around 250, and now back into January, you're right back up at that 400 level.
This leaves buyers questioning, whether they should be buying a house right now or whether they should wait for a buyer's market or just a more neutral market. And if you saw our video last week, then you know that could leave you waiting for years. So you definitely want to meet with your team of real estate professionals to sort of do that cost-benefit analysis. Is it worth the cost with inflation and these appreciation rates that we've been seeing? Is it worth the cost of waiting those years for the market to cool off, if it ever does? Or is it worth it, if you're financially prepared to do so, to just jump in the market now and buy a house now?
So if you are a buyer in this market, then it's definitely important to have your ducks in a row. Make sure you have your pre-qualification ready, your funds are in order, and you kind of have a clear picture in mind of what you want to purchase and what you want to commit to. Mm-hmm. So thank you all so much for watching. If you guys are interested in home ownership in the greater Phoenix area, we would love to talk to you.
You can check out our contact information below. You can click the link to book a time to chat directly with us so we can talk about how we might be able to help you reach your real estate goals, whatever they might be.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.